What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as you know, it is almost winter, and for those of you who are really starting to miss out on summer foods and stuff, well, this actually would be perfect because you're going to be using the oven anyway. But when the weather starts getting colder, it's the perfect opportunity for you to bake. But anyway, today's cooking video, I'm going to be showing you how to make blueberry zucchini bread. Now, the irony is, I do not like zucchini, but my mother has made it so many times, she even assures me that I won't taste it or feel the texture of it because it's baked. And might as well spread that assurances to you, but anyway, yeah. My mother's made it enough times, and even though despite my initial chagrin about eating it because of the zucchini, I also don't like to hurt other people's feelings either. So anyway, let's go over what we need. So to make blueberry zucchini bread, all you're going to need is some white sugar. You also need flour, veggie oil, eggs. I'm using liquid eggs. You also need 6-ounce package of blueberries, 1 thing of zucchini. You also need vanilla extract, baking soda, and baking powder as well. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So next you're going to, now to prepare your zucchini, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut them up into just enough. As you can just see, I just diced up all this zucchini. Alternatively, you can use a cheese grater or something like that to cut it all up. Now for this one, you're gonna add 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of white sugar to a mixing bowl. And then you're going to also add 4 tablespoons of liquid eggs to the mix. And you're also going to need half a cup of veggie oil. You're also going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I just added I added the zucchini to this mix. So now you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour to this mixture. Half. A whole. 1.5. Next, you're going to add half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Here's half teaspoon of salt. Then you also need half teaspoon of baking powder. And you're also going to need 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you're going to stir everything together and combine like so. Then you're going to add your package of blueberries to the mix, and you're going to fold them in gently. Next, you're going to grease one of these baking bread pans with some non-stick spray, like so. That'll do. Then you're gonna add the mixture. Then you're gonna add your dough. Yeah, you're gonna add your mixture to the bread pan, like so. Yeah, to this loaf pan. So our oven's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put this in the oven and you're going to let it bake in there for 50 minutes. Alrighty, so 50 minutes have passed. I'm going to take this thing out of the oven and then I'm going to let it sit for 20. So we're going to let it sit and let it cool for at least 20 minutes. Alright, so 20 minutes have passed. Ooh. Whoa. That was not what I had hoped for. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh well. But anyway, as you just saw, you gotta transfer the bread to a cooling rack and let it cool for the remaining time it has to. So, yeah, no rush. As long as, well, depending on how close you are to the equator, there might be bears, but luckily, since it's getting cold outside, you won't have to worry about bears. Okay, so what you just saw right there about what happened, yeah, I don't know why the bread fell apart when I tried to transfer it from the glass container to its plate. But anyway, I'm just gonna sample a piece and make sure. Alright. This isn't too bad. So anyway, I wasn't expecting it to be delicate, but anyway, that's how you make blueberry zucchini bread. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.